It's finally time to get your driver's license. The SCDMV is excited to help you get started on your driving adventures. This video is a basic step-by-step guide to the state requirements for obtaining your very first South Carolina driver's license. If you would like to learn more about Real ID, then please pay attention to the Real ID notes during the video and learn more on our website. Step 1. Study the rules of the road in the South Carolina Driver's Manual. You can read and download the manual at scdmvonline.com. Step 2. Fill out an application for a beginner's permit, also known as a learner's permit. Verify you have all required documents, such as a government-issued identification, birth certificate, proof of address, and can provide your social security number. Check our website for the full list of requirements and examples of proof of address. Note, these requirements are different for international customers. Step 3. Pass the vision test. A simple eye test given by the SCDMV determines if you have 20/40 vision or better. If you wear glasses or contacts, please let us know before taking the vision test. Step 4. Pass the knowledge test. The requirements for a beginner's permit is a knowledge test, and you must be at least 15 years old to apply. Beginners can practice the knowledge test online for free. The link is on our website. Step 5. Assuming you have completed all the steps so far, you will be issued a learner's permit. Congratulations! Beginner's permits allow drivers to practice under specific conditions. To earn your license, you must hold your beginner's permit for at least 180 days, and you must document at least 40 hours of supervised driving, including 10 hours of night driving, on the required form. If you are at least 17 years old, you can skip steps 6 and 7. Step 6. If you are 15 or 16, then you must complete driver's education of 8 classroom hours and 6 hours of driving. Step 7. If you are 15 or 16, then you must complete a form certifying school attendance, driving education, and driving practice called the SCDMV Form PDLA, which must be issued to you from your driving training school or public and private high school. Note, the SCDMV will only accept completed forms from authorized issuers. Step 8. Pass your road test. Note, another vision test is required before taking a skills test. Road tests, or skills tests, for regular licenses can be walk-in or scheduled online. You must provide a safe, insured vehicle in working condition. See our website for more information about your road test. Step 9. Congratulations on meeting all the requirements for your first South Carolina driver's license. Depending on your age, you may be issued a conditional license as a 15-year-old driver, or a special restricted license for a 16-year-old driver. You will earn full driving privileges at 17 or after keeping a conditional or special restricted license for 1 year, as long as you've received no traffic offenses and were not at fault in any collisions. If this information was helpful, please like and share so more new drivers can find and access this content. Be safe and enjoy the drive.